Have you ever wondered why your eyesight seems to fade faster at night, even though your glasses are new and your checkups look fine? What if the problem isn't your eyes, but what you eat before bed? Believe it or not, scientists have found that eating just 3 specific foods before bedtime can repair eye cells, boost night vision, and even sharpen your eyesight while you sleep. And no, it's not carrots. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which bedtime foods to eat to protect your eyes from aging, reverse vision decline, and wake up with clearer, brighter eyes.
Your eyes work non-stop all day long, focusing, adjusting, filtering light, and protecting you from harmful rays. But as we age, those tiny cells in the retina begin to weaken. You may notice things like struggling to read at night, needing brighter light to see clearly, blurry or cloudy vision after long hours, or even that constant dry, tired feeling behind your eyes. Many seniors think this is just part of aging, but that's not true. In fact, modern nutrition research shows that the right nighttime nutrients can actually help your eyes repair themselves while you sleep, when your body's natural healing process is at its peak. So, in this video, we'll uncover A. The 3 powerful bedtime foods that nourish and rebuild your eyes overnight. B. The science behind how they improve focus, clarity, and night vision. And C. One surprising food that you should never eat before bed because it silently harms your eyesight. Let's start with the first, a food you probably already have in your kitchen.
The first bedtime food, avocado, the eye protector. Did you know your eyes actually love healthy fats? That's because your retina, the part of your eye responsible for seeing fine details, is made mostly of fatty acids. Avocado is one of the most powerful sources of lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E, 3 nutrients proven to protect the eyes from oxidative stress and macular degeneration, the main cause of vision loss after 50. Why it works? Lutein and zeaxanthin act like natural sunglasses inside your eyes. They block harmful blue light from screens and sunlight while repairing damaged eye cells overnight. And here's the best part. Studies from Tufts University found that eating avocado daily increases the absorption of eye nutrients like lutein by up to 25 times compared to other sources. How to eat it before bed? Simply mash half an avocado on a small slice of whole grain toast or mix it into a light smoothie with milk or yogurt. The healthy fats also improve your sleep quality, so your body can repair itself even more efficiently. Did you know? People who eat 1 avocado a day have 30% lower risk of cataracts and fewer vision complaints after age 60.
The second bedtime food, tart cherries, the natural vision booster. This one might surprise you. Tart cherries are not just good for sleep, they're powerful for your eyes too. Tart cherries contain melatonin, the sleep hormone, which helps you fall asleep faster. But they also have anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that repair blood vessels in your eyes and improve circulation to the retina. Why it works? When you sleep, your body rebuilds and regenerates. Anthocyanins, the same compounds that make cherries red, protect your eye's tiny capillaries from oxidative damage, supporting clearer vision and better oxygen supply. According to a 2020 study published in Nutrients, these antioxidants also reduce inflammation in the retina and improve night vision for older adults. Moon after moon. How to eat it before bed? Drink a small glass, around 100 milliliters, of tart cherry juice 30 minutes before bed. You can also eat a handful of frozen or dried tart cherries as a sweet bedtime treat. IDY, did you know? Regular consumption of tart cherries can improve sleep duration by up to 90 minutes, giving your body more time for cellular repair, including the eyes. The third bedtime food, eggs, the retinal repair nutrient source. Yes, you heard right. The humble egg is one of your eye's best friends. Egg yolks are packed with vitamin A, lutein, and zinc, 3 nutrients essential for maintaining sharp vision, especially as you age. Why it works?
Vitamin A protects the cornea, the clear surface of your eye, from dryness and damage. Meanwhile, zinc helps transport vitamin A from your liver to your retina, ensuring proper night vision. In fact, people with low zinc levels are much more likely to experience night blindness or poor focus in low light. Mood light how to eat it before bed. A soft-boiled or poached egg 1 to 2 hours before bedtime provides just enough protein and nutrients without being heavy. You can pair it with a slice of avocado toast for the ultimate eye-repairing combo. Did you know? A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate eggs at least 3 times a week had 20% better macular pigment density, meaning clearer and sharper eyesight.
The one bedtime food to avoid is sugary snacks. Now here's the catch. If you're eating sugary desserts or processed snacks before bed, you're actually undoing all the good these eye foods can do. When your blood sugar spikes, it damages the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. Over time, this leads to blurred vision and a higher risk of diabetic retinopathy, even if you're not diabetic. So instead of late-night cookies or ice cream, choose one of the 3 bedtime foods we mentioned earlier.
Science-backed nutrients that work synergistically. Your 3 bedtime foods work best when paired with the right nutrients. These natural compounds help your eyes heal faster and stay sharper even after 60. 1. Lutein and zeaxanthin. These 2 antioxidants protect your retina from blue light and slow down age-related vision loss. Green found in spinach, kale, eggs, and corn. Tip: eat them with a little healthy fat like olive oil before bed for better absorption. 2. Vitamin A and beta-carotene. Essential for clear night vision and preventing dryness. Orange found in carrots, pumpkin, and sweet potatoes. Tip: a small serving of carrot soup or mashed pumpkin in the evening supports overnight eye repair. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. They keep the retina moist and reduce eye strain. Water found in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Tip: add a spoon of flaxseed oil or crushed walnuts to your evening smoothie. 4. Zinc. Helps your body transport vitamin A to the eyes and boosts melanin production for protection. Gray found in lentils, chickpeas, and pumpkin seeds. Tip: a handful of soaked pumpkin seeds before bed provides zinc and helps you relax. And 5. Vitamin C and E. Powerful antioxidants that fight damage from aging and improve blood flow in the eyes. Orange found in oranges, guavas, almonds, and sunflower seeds. Tip: a few almonds with a small glass of orange juice before bed gives your eyes an antioxidant shield. Lifestyle habits that help restore vision after 60. Even the most powerful foods won't help if your lifestyle is working against your eyes. So let's talk about simple, science-backed habits that keep your eyes young, naturally. 1. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes of screen time, look 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This relaxes the eye muscles and reduces strain, especially if you read before bed. 2. Sleep in complete darkness. Your eyes heal most effectively during deep sleep, but only if your room is dark. Melatonin, your sleep hormone, is also a powerful retinal antioxidant. So keep your room dark and cool for natural eye restoration. 3. Practice gentle eye yoga. Before bed, close your eyes and roll them slowly in circles, 5 times clockwise and 5 times counterclockwise. This improves blood circulation to your optic nerves and relieves tension from your eyelids. 4. Get daily morning sunlight. Just 10 to 15 minutes of early sunlight helps regulate your circadian rhythm, improves vitamin D levels, and supports healthy tear production, essential for moist, clear eyes. 5. Stay hydrated throughout the day.
Dry eyes often result from low hydration. Sip warm water or herbal teas before bed to keep your eye tissues lubricated and prevent morning stiffness or dryness. 6. Limit blue light before bed. Blue light from phones or TVs can slow melatonin production and worsen night vision. Try switching to night mode or wear blue light blocking glasses 2 hours before sleep. 7. Eat light and early dinners. Heavy or greasy meals can cause oxidative stress and inflammation that affect your eye capillaries. Aim for a light, nutrient-rich dinner, rich in veggies, lentils, and omega-3 fats at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime.
Putting it all together, your nightly vision ritual. Here's how to combine everything you've learned into a simple nightly routine. 1. Dinner. Light, early, and balanced, with at least one eye-friendly food like salmon, lentils, or spinach. 2. Bedtime snack. Choose one of the 3 superfoods: avocado toast, banana almond mix, or kiwi yogurt bowl. 3. Add nutrients. Sprinkle flax seeds, chia, or a few walnuts for omega-3 support. 4. Wind down. No screens 1 hour before bed, dim lights, and gentle eye yoga. And 5. Sleep deeply, in total darkness, so your eyes can fully recharge and repair.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Golden Health Now, and share it with someone who's been struggling with their eyesight lately. Your small support helps us keep bringing science-backed, life-changing health tips for seniors just like you. Your eyesight tells the story of how well you've cared for your body. It reflects your inner health, your habits, and your choices. So what if you started treating your eyes not as fragile parts that fade with age, but as living, healing organs that can renew and thrive with just a few smart nightly choices? Maybe the secret to sharper vision isn't in your medicine cabinet, but already waiting for you right on your dinner plate tonight.